How to add and edit text in Wix Studio. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to add and edit text in Wix Studio website. It's gonna be very easy and simple steps. So first you have to log into your Wix Studio account and then you can choose the website that you want to edit. You can click on it and then you will be in that website dashboard. Now you can navigate to edit site here. You can click on it. Now you will be redirected to your website editor. This is my website editor as you can see. So if you want to add the text, you can choose wherever the text you want to add. So let's say I want to add the text here. So you can just click add a new section here and then you can click add an element here. And as you can see, there is title. You can click on it or you can choose text here. Also, so there are some options here. So if you want to choose the text with style, you can choose the text option here. So there are some style here. You can choose whatever you want. So let's say I want to basic text. So you can just choose maybe heading one. You can drag and drop. And now I have text here. So I'm gonna adjust it by drag and drop again. Maybe in this middle, in the middle. Then now you can just select it, highlight it. Then you can edit the text. Maybe welcome to my store. Select it. Also, in the right side, as you can see, there is inspector option. So there is text. Now you can change the size if you want. Maybe you want to make it bigger, you know, that. And for the width, if you want to make it bigger, you can change it for the pixel. And then for the responsive behavior, you can choose maybe a wrap, fix, hug, or scale proportionally. I'm gonna choose scale proportionally. And also the style, if you want to change it to heading 3, 2, or others, it's up to you. And also the font, if you want to change the font, first you have to highlight it first, and you can change the font like that. You can adjust it, adjust the box text, the text box like this, and make it in the middle again. And also, if you want to make it bigger, you can choose the font size, maybe like this, to bigger, it's up to you. Then you can make it bold if you want. Don't forget to highlight it. You can make it bold and then italic, underline, it's up to you. And for the alignment, if you want to change it to center, or it's up to you. And there are some other option here, you can explore more. You can add also the animation if you want to make a click animation maybe. You can insert click animation here. If you want to add it like this, we're gonna try it later. So let's say I want to choose this one and you can adjust it if you want. You can explore more here. So yeah, let's try it. You can just click preview here. Okay, so let's click it. See, there is the animation here. If you click it, so you can basically try another animation if you want. So I think that's it, how to add and edit text in Wix Studio. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.